Testing one, two, three. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Engineer Masood Afsar Kiani, and today we have the technical session 193. Our subject is cracks in the plaster. So before going ahead, I would like to request you to press the bell icon, like it, share it in order to reach the next video with the easy access. And our channel reference is Material Engineer Official YouTube studio, and where 192 videos are on board with the different subjects, and these subjects are covered to uh, challenges in the construction in the new era coming and the new technology where if we compare this one in the past, there are so many uh, changes in the construction for the improvement and the structural integrity and awards over it. So uh, there are three types of the cracks in the plaster appears a plastic shrinkage cracks and the settlement cracks and the thermal and the expansion cracks. So we will discuss accordingly. The plastic shrinkage cracks, these are the fine surface level web or the lined cracks to appear the material is still fresh. What is the causes? So rapid moisture loss and from the wind, heat, and the humidity during the initial setting. So what is the solution for this one? To prevent the covering and the plastic sheeting and the using sunshades or misting repairs and the cleaners and the fillings while a suitable patch compounds are fully cured. So settlement cracks, these are the cracks, deeper voids along with the embedded items like pipes, rebars, and often wide to the tops. Reinforce also and structure and the masonry structure as well. So what are the causes for this one? Inadequate compaction and inadequate compaction and the basis of the material allowed to the settlement and the pull start. Solution to prevent these cracks are to improve in the subbase, subgrade compaction, repairs, and the cracking and cleaning and patching if it is to the near to the blending area or somewhere else or PCC whatsoever it is. So number three are the cracks. These are the straight cracks at a regular interval or a junction that where the walls meets to the slabs. So what are the causes for this expansion and the construction at temperature due to the room to move solution prevent to installing the control expansion joints repairs by the cleaning, filling, and the cracks are joined with the flexible sealant, not to the rigid fillers. So key rules for this one is cosmetically cover the cracks with a active moving as stabilize the foundation first to consult with the structural engineer or the foundation engineer to take the precautions. So there are further six cracks: hair cracks, shrinkage cracks, structural cracks, preparation, separation cracks, map pattern cracks, or and vertical and horizontal cracks. So these are the further six types of the cracks. So we will discuss accordingly. Hair cracks, these are the very fine, shallow cracks, finer than the less than the 1 mm. And what are the causes? Improper curing, rapid curing, or a plaster dehydration. Then we will go to the shrinkage crack. This is a regular cracks appearing shortly after plastering. So causes are the excess water in the mix, faster evaporation, poor sand grading, and no curing. Then third one is the structural cracks, deep cracks also expanding through the plaster and the mesh networks. What are the causes? These are the foundation settlements, structural movements, load, included stress, etc. So cracks at separation cracks. These are the cracks at the junction of the wall and the ceiling. Different types of the material were applied and it is not bonding with each other strongly. So what are the causes for this one? Different movements, poor bonding, and lack of mesh at junctions. So number five are the map pattern cracks. These are the networks of the cracks forming a pattern causes or the use of the rich mix. And number six is the horizontal or the vertical cracks. So these are the fine cracks along with the uh, height of the wall, and the causes are the weak masonry joints. So all of this are happen due to mm, some ignorance of the workmanship and the ignorance of the manufacturer recommendation, and also not following the proper method statement or whatsoever the requirements of the projects. And cosmetically, this is affected by the weathering and like the veins and all of these things. So we can improve this plaster cracks according to following the strictly to the method statement and especially the manufacturer recommendation. What's the manufacturer recommendation say? Either it is mixed with the material is mixed with the mechanical drilling and in the shaded area and where the application and the surface temperature of the structure should not be more than 40 degrees, which is the higher parameters. So this all of these things is affected on the workmanship and the cracks is coming. So in next video we see each other with another subject, and thank you very much and have a nice day.